Hi, this is Carl Lewis. As you can tell from one quick look at the screen, SAP has given us a brand new and perhaps the best reason yet to upgrade to SAP Business One version 8.8 and patch level 12. That's because cockpits and dashboards have been brought to SAP Business One. This is an example of a home page, a home cockpit as it were, in our demo system, where I've brought the Vision 33 customer portal into a browser widget that I've placed on the screen. I've also used the Common Functions widget, the Open Documents widget, and the Messages and Alerts widget in my design of this screen. If I want to create another look for a screen, I can pretty easily. I can have a sales screen, and here I have dashboards that are interactive, and so you'll notice that this says Norm Thompson, but if I should click on SG Electronics, the data changes dynamically for SG Electronics. And back to, for instance, Earthshaker, and it changes to Earthshaker, and the data changes dynamically to Earthshaker representation. Very, very nice indeed to have all the data in front of me and to have a way of customizing the screen just for things that I want to do. Very easy. I can still see the main menu, and I can navigate to the sales section, sales AR section of the menu, and drag the Dunning wizard onto my Common Function screen so that I can use it from there. If I don't want it there, I can simply grab a hold of it and drag it off of that screen. You notice it stays in the menu, but it's off of my Common Functions widget at that point in time. I can click back to the cockpit. I can also make the menu disappear entirely and give me more screen real estate if I like, or bring it back, and I can take a look at the service cockpit that's there and the various things that are on that screen. You'll notice they all look a little bit different, and customer aging is represented in the finance cockpit along with things that basically somebody might do who works in the finance department, like journal vouchers, for instance, that they could execute directly from that screen. They can look at open documents. There are 19 AR invoices that are open, and one click opens the open items list. You can also create your own cockpits, like for inventory. And I've put, for a shipping person, for instance, a zip code lookup website into the web browser widget. I can run reports if they are in my Common Functions, like the top 5 inventory report that we've shown a few times before. And right there I've got an integrated Excelsius chart in my Crystal report that's running in the system from my Common Functions widget placed in my cockpit. I can have things like query portals. This is an example of the ZIT query portal running live inside of Business One. I can embed websites that I use a lot, like the SAP SDN community. Use that forum. My Vision 33 website, Vision 33's tips and tricks for SAP Business One, and even the Z Suite products, if I want to read about them, can all be represented in my new representation of SAP Business One, utilizing cockpits. The best reason yet to upgrade to SAP 8.8 and patch level 12, cockpits and dashboards.